Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer TRX from Crypto.com to Bitmart in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to move your Tron coins seamlessly, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always double-check for any platform updates since crypto rules can change quickly. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Crypto.com and Bitmart. If you don't, take a moment to create them and verify your identity. It's crucial for security. Once you're logged into Crypto.com, head over to your wallet section. Look for your TRX balance. If it's there, great. If not, you might need to buy or deposit some first. Now, to initiate the transfer, go to the Withdraw or Transfer option in your Crypto.com wallet. Select TRX from the list of cryptocurrencies. You'll need to enter the wallet address from Bitmart. Don't worry, I'll walk you through that. Open Bitmart on another tab, log in, and navigate to your deposit page. Find TRX in the list, and copy the wallet address provided. Make sure it's the correct network. TRX usually uses the Tron network, so double-check that to avoid any errors. Back on Crypto.com, paste that Bitmart wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of TRX you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to approve this through email or two-factor authentication for added security. Once that's done, sit tight. The transfer should process in a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. After it's complete, hop back to Bitmart and check your wallet to confirm the TRX has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it some time and maybe refresh the page. Pro tip: always start with a small test transfer to ensure everything works smoothly. And there you have it. That's how you transfer TRX from Crypto.com to Bitmart in 2025. Remember, crypto can be volatile, so stay safe and only transfer what you're comfortable with. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.